If you want to back up your folders in OneDrive, whether that means protecting your desktop, documents, pictures, or even other custom folders, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn on OneDrive folder backup, how to move other folders into OneDrive, and how to make sure everything stays synced across your devices. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click the Microsoft OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar. This opens the OneDrive control panel where you can manage your backup and sync settings. If you don't see the cloud icon right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once OneDrive opens, click the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where all of your OneDrive options are stored, including syncing, backup, account, and notifications. From the settings window, find and open the sync and backup section. This area is specifically designed for protecting important folders on your computer. Now click Manage Backup. OneDrive will show you the main folders that can be backed up automatically. These usually include desktop, documents, and pictures. Turn on the folders you want to protect by switching each one to ON. If you want all three backed up, simply enable all of them. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure your important files are saved in the cloud without needing to manually upload them one by one. After selecting the folders you want, click Save Changes or Start Backup, depending on what appears on your screen. OneDrive will now begin backing up those folders automatically. From this point forward, anything you save inside those folders will be synced to your OneDrive account and available on other devices where you're signed in. If you want to back up other folders that are not included in the default options, you can do that too. Open File Explorer and go to the folder you want to protect. Then open your OneDrive folder. You can drag and drop the folder you want to back up directly into OneDrive, or you can copy and paste it there instead. This method works well for project folders, work documents, personal archives, and any other files you want stored safely in the cloud. After moving the folder, wait for the sync process to complete. You'll usually see a syncing indicator in OneDrive while it uploads your files. Once the sync is finished, your folder is backed up to OneDrive and accessible from your other devices. That means if your computer ever stops working or you need your files somewhere else, your data is still safely stored online. A quick tip here, if you're backing up a large folder, make sure you have enough OneDrive storage available. It's also a good idea to let the backup complete before shutting down your computer, so all of your files can finish syncing properly. And if you ever want to check whether a file was uploaded, open OneDrive online or look for the cloud status icons in File Explorer. So that's how to back up folders in OneDrive the easy way. You can protect your most important Windows folders with built-in backup settings, or manually move other folders into your OneDrive directory for safe cloud syncing. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.